Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to post anonymously on Facebook group. To start the process, you need to open your Facebook application on your mobile. Now go to the search bar and search for your desired group. As the group appears on your screen, scroll down and tap on Anonymous Post. After that, tap on the option I want to post anonymously. Now the anonymous participant option will be available. For submitting an anonymous post, go to the front page of the group and tap on Writing Something. Now turn the toggle on for Post Anonymously. Tap on I want to post anonymously. After that, go back and tap on the Compose button at the bottom right corner. As the options appear, tap on Anonymous Post. Now tap on I want to post anonymously. Here, you can submit an anonymous post. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.